So Slime Pack Nation, we got a little bit of a different view right now. I am in a 2017 Camaro SS. This is my first time driving an SS. I've driven a Camaro before, but I think it was a V6. This was way before I was thinking about getting a Dodge Charger. I'm about to take this car on a test drive because they only gave me 30 minutes. I wanted to get the Mustang, but it was on hold, so let's go ahead and start it up. It's got a little something. A little something. What mode is this in? Let me see. It's got to be a way to change. Let me see, mode. Yeah, give me track. Yeah, there we go. Let's see what track gonna do. Give me a little bit more power. Let me go this way real quick. Ooh, the tightness of the steering wheel, I love that. What is up, Slime Pack Nation? So as you can tell from the scenery behind me, I am in something different right now. I am in a 2017 Camaro SS. This will be a review video, so don't nobody start saying down below she clickbait and thinking that she got a Camaro. So I'm letting y'all know right now this will be a review video. I tried to get a Mustang GT350. I do not like Mustangs, so I tried to try something different by getting a Mustang at CarMax, but somebody had already had it on hold. It looked real good. I didn't record no video of it because it was too much wind noise outside, but make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji, and when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And once again, if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. But yeah, so I'm about to get on the outside of the car and give y'all a little walk around and also give y'all a tour on the inside. It is a convertible. I hate convertibles because I don't like my hair blowing all everywhere. But I think I'm about to let the top back if I know how to do it right here. How you do it? You gotta hold it. Ooh. You gotta hold it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, so that look good. If it's too much wind noise, please excuse me. I do not have on no work clothes. Check the boots, but let me get out. It is a black Camaro SS. See the badge? It is a V8. I think it's a 5.1 cylinder engine. It's got the leather seats. Whenever he first cranked it, it had some noise to it. But yeah, like I said, I got this car from CarMax. No, I did not buy it. I'm just doing a review video on it, trying to get a feel of different cars, trying to step outside the box on cars that I'm not really interested in for whatever reason. But I hate convertibles, but it kind of feels good while you're driving. As you can see on the inside, get the steering wheel. You know, it ain't much, but it sits real low. That's why I don't like sits real low. The back seat is like pointless of having anybody back there, especially if you have any kids that do not sit in car seats. Look, there's no leg room. I got the seat all the way back. I'm not tall, I'm like 5'5", but I got the seat all the way back because I like my legs to be comfortable. So we coming into the trunk. It looks real small, which it is small, but since the top is let back, you got some of the top back here in the trunk. And to me, a Camaro is more for a single, one person. That's about it. I want to pop the hood. There you go. Let me see. See what it's looking like up under the engine. Like I said, it is a V8 5.1. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. So I'm about to finish driving this around. So right now I am headed back to CarMax. And it's cute or whatever. It's cute. That's all I can say is it's cute. I'm used to a little more aggressiveness. And I do have it in track mode. And I'm definitely not babying it. It has 7,000 miles on it, and it is a 2017. I'm not sure how much it costs. I don't see the paper in here for it. Now, one thing I can say is the takeoff is quick. I like that. I don't know if y'all can see, but you can see the leg room. Like I said, I got the seat all the way back. I still got like a little, I don't know if you can see a little bend in my leg where it ain't stretched all the way out. But yeah, like I was saying, the takeoff speed is great. It's pretty quick. I wish I knew how to downshift in this. So let me tell y'all my thoughts on driving this SS. I used to want a Camaro before I even wanted a Charger. But you know, things happen, and my first time driving it, it's like I don't like the smallness of the way a Camaro feels. But this convertible, I hate convertibles now, y'all. I hate it because it's like a wind blowing everywhere, but it feels so good to have the sun just beaming down on you and all this fresh air. So it's opened up my mind to the stuff that I don't like, and I've never been in it. Like, I've never been in a drop top, but I always hated it. I don't know why, just because I said it blows your hair everywhere, but it's not as bad. Driving this, it feels fun, but it's not the power that I'm used to. Comparing this Camaro SS to a stock SCATPACK, I feel like the SCATPACK got more of a throttle response. Like, it's there, like it's there. Not because I'm used to a pedal box, but even whenever I drive with the pedal box off, I've been doing that a lot lately to save gas. But I'm not gonna say that my SCATPACK is faster than this SS, or this SS is faster than my SCATPACK, but my car, it responds quicker with the pedal. Like, you know, I'm smashing this down, and it's not giving me that rush, you know, that response that I'm used to having. But this is a fun car. So if you're looking in the market to getting a Camaro SS, make sure y'all hit up CarMax in Fayetteville. make sure you let them know that SCATPACK sent you, so you know you can get that deal. You always gotta let them know that SCATPACK sent you so you can get them good deals. What else? These Camaros, it feels like it's only for a one person, because ain't nobody riding back there with me. I'm not finna keep letting my seat up and back to let somebody back there. And like I said, I got my seat pushed all the way back as far as it can reach. I am 5'5". I am not tall, so imagine somebody that's way taller than me driving this. My time is almost up. I gotta have this car back at CarMax in 4 minutes. Comment down below in the comment section if you would like to see more reviews on different cars. I really want to test drive that Mustang. I hate Mustangs, but I really want to test drive one to see how it feels driving one. I've been in one, but I've never driven one. Go ahead and comment down below if you would like to see more review videos, me driving different cars or bringing more car content to the channel that's outside of the Mopar world. Just let me know down below in the comment section. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed.